Hi everyone, I'm Ali and I'm just back from my holiday. This is my first look at my allotment. I left it for 2 weeks, mulched it all, left a watering system up, and so this is my first walk around from the last video that I did. So it'd be interesting to see how everything's got on. So wow, Jerusalem artichokes are massive compared to when I left them in copper. Plants, mint, everything's gone wild. I was thinking before I went away that these were onions that I'd put in last year, but it turns out they're actually garlic, so that's quite nice. So I've got some more garlic down the bottom to get in and dehydrate. The chard's done well. Got some potatoes in there. The pumpkins, they're flowering, not a lot of leaf on them, but that doesn't really matter too much. So this is the rhubarb, gone absolutely mental, and in here there should be some, there's some celery, which I will have to sort some of the rhubarb out, get it away and get it dehydrated. I did see sprouts, looks like one's died, but the other one's looking okay. Everything's looking like the fruit tree over there, the plum tree. I've never had any fruit on it, but it was looking quite nice before I went away, but it all looks like it's got some sort of insect. So I've got some neem oil, which I make up on Saturday. Don't have time tomorrow, but on Saturday I shall do that and give it all a spray. Same with that pear tree there. The apples, actually got apples on the apple tree for the first time, so it looks like the old silver bits and CD discs have worked, because before the birds normally have it all. The hayfield is looking a little bit dry. I don't think we could have had too much rain while I've been gone, but hopefully if we get a bit of rain over the next month, it'll give us a half decent crop. Let's walk down to the polytunnel. Wow, again, everything's gone mental. That's the radishes. There's some ready in here. Well, that's not bad. It's not over wet and it's not over dry. It's looking good, actually. The potatoes, they'll be ready soon. Oh, cucumbers have come right up with the marigolds. They're just looking pretty. Let's spread this cucumber the right direction while I'm here. Oh, lots of peas. I'll pick those in a minute. Some of them have gone over a little bit, but oh, got green beans, French beans. I shall leave them till Saturday and then have the first lot off of there. Tomatoes have tripled in size. Yeah, that's spring onions are looking good. Lettuces, again, looking good. I put a couple of baby ones in there that I'd found self-seeded somewhere else, so they've done well. I'll cut back this lettuce and take some of that home with me. That celery's shot right up. Maybe just try and trim him right down to the bottom and see what happens. Same with the rocket, by the looks of it. Have a bit of a weed through there. Oh, that looks like a... Oh no, that is that the radish leaf? Doesn't look like radish. Looks like broccoli. But let's have a wander down the bottom, see if my sweet corn survived. Yay! Pears pears on the pear tree. Again, looks like our silver things have worked and deterred the birds. CD disc, brilliant. Really pleased with that. If my hayfield was grew up like this, I'd be well happy. How are we looking down here? I see sweet corn. Wow, they've shot right up. Lentils are up as well. A bit more than, well, quite a lot more than what they were. You can see that vine in amongst underneath this hay, but yeah, it looks like the majority of the sweet corn is doing all right. I'll have to have a good weed through. Pumpkins and butternut squashes are looking good. Ooh, sprouts, looking amazing. Again, I should give those a spray. Got the marigolds next to them. Obviously not as big as what they are in the polytunnel, but oh, that's great. Butternut, no, sorry, that's the sugar beet along there. I did have some leeks in here, but I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing any of them. Let's uncover that sweet corn. One, two. Must be a sweet corn in here somewhere. There was. Is that in there? Might be in there actually. That one. Oh, I think we've still got all the sweet corn, which is amazing. See this vine though, awful stuff. I'm gonna have to kill it off. I think I might be missing a sweet corn from there. I put the pot there so I would know where it was, because he was pretty small. Someone's had a bit of a go at that. On the whole, very pleased. Oh, there's a leak. Oh, where's it gone? The leeks are in there, but been taken over by that vine, so the onions and the fat hen in here as well. Leave that to their own devices. This garlic will have to be pulled up and dried. Lovely. That's the echinacea. That hasn't done much, but those leeks are looking pretty good in there, and the Swiss chard. Let's have a wander down for the potatoes. I've certainly got some weeding to do. Can't believe it. Wow, look at the potatoes. If I can get a before and after shot on the video, I will, but wow. Got pumpkins in here somewhere. All this fat hen, that can be used as spinach. Oh, there we go, look. Those pumpkins. Well, that's a courgette. Okay. There's always supposed to have been pumpkins along here. I'm wondering if I've got my seeds mixed up at some point, or what I had growing at home, because that at home looked like pumpkin, but I had them down as courgettes, so I don't know. We'll see what we get. What does that look like in there? Oh, that looks like pumpkin. There's another courgette. I might as well pick that one, I think. If it's any bigger. What's in there? Oh, that's courgette as well. Yeah. Nice courgettes in there. That's interesting. Never mind, it's all food. I have to backtrack because that's courgette. That's courgette. Hoping that's pumpkin. Otherwise, we're not going to end up with many pumpkins by the looks of it. I don't know. It's a mystery as to what I've done with the seeds this year. But I did save all my own, so they've got mixed up somewhere. Never mind. So I've just had a little harvest. I've got lettuce, rocket, beetroot leaves and some green onion, some radishes and some courgettes. I've got a couple of peas in the bottom, and there's some green beans, French beans over in the corner. So that's a good start towards our salad this afternoon. So, very happy. First courgette, and everything else is alive. Sorry, I'm squinting. It's really bright sunshine. I'm a little bit tired, I think. So that's it. Thank you to everybody who's continued to watch my videos. It's been brilliant. Thank you. Bye.